Hello and welcome to this tutorial on internal continuous pre-assessment quality assurance. Subject meeting minutes must be kept in the lecturer's subject file. In this tutorial, I will show you how to print the pre-assessment meeting register, which also serves as a mark record sheet, before capturing the marks on edusyms for internal continuous assessment year mark purposes. Every lecturer is expected to participate in teaching, learning, and assessment. It is the responsibility of the subject lecturer to keep all of this evidence up to date and accessible for monitoring, moderation, and verification. Each subject is assigned a guardian lecturer subject head coordinator, whose responsibility is to ensure that all aspects of the subject's administration and assessment follow these guidelines. A guardian lecturer may be in charge of multiple subjects or subjects at multiple levels. This tutorial is intended to assist you in improving the quality of your implementation of the guidelines for the internal continuous assessment policy. Let's get this party started, shall we? Select Academic, then Subject Groups from the main menu. Filter for the relevant term you're working on. For the subject you're working on, click the Open Subject Group icon. Select Tests and Assignments from the Manage Subject Group menu. The list of scheduled assessments will be shown. Click the icon labeled Manage Test Students or Candidates to begin managing test students or candidates. The window with test information will appear. Check that you have the correct assessment open. On your top right, just below Manage, click View or Print Registry. The Tester Examination Register window will open, displaying all enrolled students who are sitting for the examination. By clicking on the Management Edit icon, you can also select the Chief Invigilator and Invigilators for the examination. The assessment managers you are appointing cannot be assigned more than once. Otherwise, the system will generate an error as it searches for possible clashes. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.